Well, all right. So, a few issues going on with the truck. This window regulator is not working. I took it to an auto glass place today. Nobody wants to do it. They told me this was bad. It was broken. So, ordered a new one off eBay. I don't really know if for sure it's broke. But I want to order me a new one. I don't know how to take them out. I haven't done one. Anyway, getting ready to do carpet installation because Thursday's got to go get the audio system put in. So, put the seats out, fix it, we'll get the vacuum cleaner and clean all this up, and put the sound deadening material in. And then, yeah, because Thursday's supposed to go, today is Tuesday. Thursday is supposed to go to audio equipment, get the radio, subs, speakers, everything hooked up. A big sub box was here. And then Monday is supposed to go in for headliner, but I might be able to get the headliner myself. I tried it by myself and couldn't hang it. So I think what I was doing it wrong. I was trying to hang it and put these pieces up. I think they hang the headliner and put the sun visors in, and that'll help hold it. I also have a cargo dome light, which I need to figure out how to get that done. So, yeah, we're going to get it done, man. Get it done there. Come on. But anyway, so let's get the carpet installation done. Okay, well, the sound deadening material was not bad at all. They give you this little diagram, little jigsaw puzzle. You lay it out and then peel and stick. So hopefully the carpet lays down on top of that. And there's a few gaps here and there. And yeah, we'll put the kick panels on, the carpet in, and seats back on seat belts. So this was easy. We got hose for the seat belts, but the carpet does not. So we'll have to feel and find as we go. So let's go check, see how the carpet's baking in the sun. It did not get put out during peak sun. So I wear the gray carpet, all black interior, but gray carpet. I think we'll just lay it out there and lay it out in the carpet there and let it lay it out in the truck and let it form to the truck. And we'll take a heat gun and roller and press it down there, but I think it's going to be fine. It wasn't quite as molded. I did a 77 Monte Carlo back in 1983. And I remember it had more mold to it, more shape. This does not have any shape to it at all. So hopefully it fits as well as that did in that Monte Carlo. So I don't know. Let's put it in there and find out. Well, I just have it laid in there with bunched up material here. It's going to go against the wall. I don't know if I need to tuck it up and under, because that's a sound deadening mat there. I guess it just stays up there exposed like that. Not a very good fit. And I guess once you get the kick panels in here and the threshold here, that'll keep it pulled down. But I don't know. I hope all this baggy stuff goes away. So we'll see. We'll keep working it. First impressions is just nothing fancy except a heel pad over there. It's got insulation backing on the back side right here under the footwells. But I don't know. So I think it should have some kind of finished trim around there, but I guess it just goes up there and lays there. I don't know. But I guess if you're normal height, they won't see it. And yeah, I'll take a rag and clean up that body shop stuff. Yeah, I should have already done it, blah, blah, blah. But we'll clean and detail the truck after we go. So, all right, we'll keep smoothing it out. Turn off my air conditioner here so you guys can hear me. All right, so we got the carpet down, the seats back in there. Got the sub box. Let's change this view. Got the sub box back here. These seats don't recline. They came out of that Suburban, so you had to tilt it all the way forward. I got the sub box in there, so that turned out pretty nice. Got the 6x9 brackets back there, and We've got chrome. Yes, chrome, ladies and gentlemen. Put the seat back. Sorry about that. All right, so got the chrome threshold panels here. They go here like that, and then that big one right there goes right here like that. Sorry, the other way, you know. And so anyway, we would put those down, but I made the executive decision. We got little kick panel speakers to go here. I told you in the other video I had those 4 speakers to go in the dash. Well, they don't work. They wouldn't work with the dash. Sorry about that thing right there. That thing right there is just to run my Elderbrock tablet. Just while I was test driving and tuning. We're not gonna run that. So anyway, there we go. That's a little bit cleaner look. So anyway, so yep. So the speakers would not work with the dash pads. All we're gonna have is the 6x9s and then the kick panels and the 2 JL subs. I've got 2 Alpine amps and the Polk Audios, and the JL amps are subs. I mean, because the other Polks would not fit, so we had to get a shallow, like a 5-inch JL sub. We're gonna mount that 1 amp right here in this little divot, and the other amp hopefully will go into the seat. But we are going to take it to an audio sound place. I was going to do it. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to take it to the pros, have them wiring the amps and the speakers, and get it dialed in just right. I went ahead and put the radio in. Resto Sounds radio. I've got it in, wired up, and working. So I did that part for them, and the wires are hanging down there. So to make it easier, all I got to do is run the amp wires and the speaker wires. And so I leave that there so they can put that down. Because once you drill the holes and put the screws in, and then get it to reset, and you miss the hole, whatever. So I just let them, once they run all their wires, they can put that down. And that happens tomorrow. But the seats are in, so we're coming along, man. So this window is broken. It's a brand new regulator. I think the body shop has broken it. So tried to get it fixed yesterday, couldn't do it. So ordered a new one off eBay. Even though we have one down there on that Suburban. We could take that one out of that door. But if we did that, it makes it inoperable, and the glass would be out of it, and then the rain would get in it. Not that the Suburban's worth anything, but it's a nice, whole, solid vehicle. It's worth more in parts. I mean, we could part that thing out. That front clip's worth $750, doors by the $125 a piece. So I like to keep it intact, you know, for whoever needs the parts. So a window regulator was like $60. So I just went and bought a new one versus taking that one out and putting it in here. So hopefully I get a new one, get that window working, and I can put the door panel on it. It's got sound deadening material that goes on the door panel too. And it'll look like that one over there. And once we get it done, we'll get the switches mounted in it. And then we're gonna get the headliner put in. So I may try to work on that here in just a few minutes, I think. Get the headliner put up. And I had it scheduled for headliner shop on Monday. But I'm going to have to cancel that because they were going to fix the door panels too. But since the door panel's broken, not ready for the door panel yet, we're going to cancel the interior shop. And I hung that door panel over myself. I think I got to take it back off and redo it, but I can do all this myself, you know. I was just going to get the headliner's a little bit more difficult to do by yourself. So I was going to let them do it. They did these seats. I liked them at first, but I'm not so sure, you know, with this red. Red's supposed to kind of match this red. It's close. But anyway, so yeah, there's that. She's coming along, man. She's looking pretty good. And so we're just tinkering on it. And we're getting there. Need to hook up these lights right here. These marker lights right here ain't not working. And but yeah. And then like I said, we're going to change this radiator out probably this weekend. So we'll probably trailer it. We're probably going to trailer it to the audio sound store. And because it's all the way up there in town, a few red lights, and she just overheating. So we'll probably just trailer it right there on that trailer. and take it up there and drop it off. Let them do the audio equipment and pick it up and bring it home. Then by then our new radiator will be here, and we'll bring it home and take that radiator out and put the new one in, and see if that helps that beast run a little cooler. That old 496 Monster needs some fluids to keep her cool, but the old 86, which was going to be a gray ghost, which is now called Ruby, is looking really good. And she runs like a scalded dog. So she has a nice, classy look, you know, but runs like a mean machine. So, yeah. So there's an update on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Not really a how-to video series, just a process update, you know, blah, 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 idiotic rambling type deal. And we'll give you a video once she's all completely done and hitting the streets. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See ya. And get this window right here fixed. I think finally she's up, right? I'm afraid to roll it down, but we'll get that all done. But look at that, man. What a beauty. Hey, Lord have mercy. We'll back that thing out there in the sun and give you guys a good walk around. She turned out fantastic. So, she's just about ready. Throw some tire juice on them tires, man. Some tire juice. Had to lay down, find the hose and see. You guys see that sparkle on that paint? Can y'all see that? Got a lot of metaflake, I guess. What do you call it? Man, she's there, Lord have mercy. There's the steering wheel I got for it. Eddie Motorsports. Match the Eddie Motorsports billet drive front drive accessories we have on it. But anyway, so yeah, man, she turned out pretty fine, pretty fine.